Look what we just made, some spinners.
That one's
So
mine.
this one is Olivia's. And we will show you how to make these. Hours of entertainment for me. And sometimes I let the kids have a go. Yay. Yeah, you come into the kid category. Hello, I'm Sarah, and we have Sam, Olivia, and Aston.
And
we are...
I'm Olivia.
You are Olivia, I mentioned that one. And we are going to make some spinners. Now, normally you make these with cardboard, and I was going to make them with cardboard, and then I looked in the cupboard and I saw all these ice cream container lids that have no containers to go with them. Instead of throwing out plasticky stuff, here is another use for them. Now, the first thing we want to do is draw and cut out some circles on these lids. So if I draw the circles, I'll get you guys to cut around them. You'll have to share the scissors, we've only got 2 pairs of scissors.
Cut.
Now, if you're looking for another use for ice cream container lids, I'll put up a picture. I actually made door name signs out of some others, didn't I? And I think they came out pretty neat. So, actually, right, my circle leaves a bit to be desired.
I'm doing my own.
You're doing your own, are you? I mean, you can make small ones. You can even make these out of buttons. But
That's a very small button.
yeah, it would be a very small one. That's a circle-ish. It doesn't matter if it's not a perfect circle. It's a circle-ish. Now, you may now have these. What we have to do now, Aston, you and I.
Look. It's a
Wow. It is a zigzag. That is beautiful.
zigzag.
Now, I'm just going to trace around this.
That is a
You can start cutting it, dear.
Oh.
Oh. Now, Aston, on here, I want you to colour in a pretty pattern. One that you think would look nice spinning round and round. So you could do like lots of circles. Lots of, no, not with the vivid. Not that you're not trusted, but well,
That you're not trusted.
you're not trusted. Then we're going to do a pattern and we're going to cut around it.
And what kind of pattern are you going to?
So there's one pattern for each side. So did you want me to do one side colouring in?
We need one.
Need 2 for each circle.
One can go on that side.
The best thing to use is actually string that's slightly elasticy. I suppose wool sort of is, but yeah, we just had some wool lying around. I mean, if you've got some long stretchy rubber bands, some really long ones.
Is that a cool pattern?
That is a cool pattern. Are you going to keep going?
Those orange
We want this colour as
patterns
well.
look cool.
Once you've done your patterns,
There's a baby circle and a big circle.
wow. Once you've done your patterns, cut around them. Are you going to cut around yours?
Okay?
Good job. Shall I cut your other one out that Mum coloured in?
I will.
Oh, alright. Far be it from me.
It is kind of cutting pictures out, you see.
Once we've done that, we're going to glue those onto each side of this. Now we found our glue stick after much searching. then what do I find? That it's completely mushed. I'd say somebody put the lid on while it was all the way up.
Probably Esther.
So, I think there's not much doubt about it. I found like a plastic knife. I was thinking that could be like a smush, paint, not a biggie. We can still use it. Won't be quite as neat as it once was. But then, whatever stays neat with these three. Little bit. Ideally, you'd do perfect circles, but that's just not how I roll.
Tough
I go
like
for ease.
tough.
No, Aston, hand out the way. I don't want to snip fingers off. I like your fingers. We kind of want to keep them. Next thing we'll be putting holes in the middle. Now,
He bangs.
plonker. Now,
Mama Plonker.
I'll do
Mama
this.
is a plonker.
Now, if you've got cardboard, if you're doing this with cardboard, it's pretty easy to punch a hole in. Just use a pen or a pencil and punch. Or if you've got a hole punch that would fit all the way in the middle. But as I'm using plastic, we have to improvise a bit. Get a keyboard and a knife. Now, so you want two holes that are kind of in the middle-ish. Just like how this is a circle-ish. You know, two holes kind of in the middle-ish. You can get technical and measure them if you want. But, and that's the easiest way to do it. Press it down and spin.
I'm doing my own.
You're doing your own, are you?
My own. How's
How's that going? That's not a hole yet. Go from the other side. Can you guys all get heads out of the way? I get nervous with heads versus knives.
Kids would win if they have brains. Knives don't.
Well, I'm sure you could outwit a knife. Yeah, nah. There's a lot of flaws in that thinking. There we go. A hole. And another hole, sort of off-centre-ish.
I like it.
I'll just put these down here for now. The magical land of things that vanish under
Here
the
is
table.
the blue spray.
Now, Olivia,
We use a
these
rubber
are you what she
band.
wants. I tried but the rubber bands we've got are
Too
kind of
short.
quite short ones, and they were just a little bit too. You want to snip the wool? All right, I'll tell you when.
You just can't.
You're really
wise, Mike. Lunch.
You have been
making
lunch
for the last few days. I make lunch in the.
Glue over it, so hopefully that will dry and it will be fine.
Actually,
Yeah.
the glue all got caught on my hand and came off. So the lower snap. Do you
Right.
think this is
Once that
enough
is
for
threaded
mine?
through here.
Mine
Hang on.
is.
Hang on.
That
No,
enough?
hang on.
To
You
ship
can
it by
You can schnippety doo da.
me.
Probably want about that much. Snip. See if you can thread them through the holes. And then we'll tie these two ends together. There we go. Now do you want to tie that, Olivia? Just like tie it in a double knot.
Yes.
Oh, I'm getting numb feet. Right.
So much easier.
It is a bit easier. Now, shall I just show you what you do then? This in the middle. Put your fingers in there like that.
Oh,
Have you tied yours up?
why do you pull?
And then
Now
twist
what?
round and round and round like that. You thread your fingers through, just like your middle finger. I find that easiest, or that one, that's fine. Now, because you got to pull it, and then just before it completely goes straight, you got to loosen it so that it kind of respins itself. I'll show you. Right. See if I can do this properly. Yeah. And then release a bit, and it should sort of, each time, it'll tangle its. I think I need to make the string a bit shorter.
Or until it stops completely.
I'm going to shorten the string. That was a fail. But therein lies the beauty of this. If it was too easy, there'd be no skill involved. See, I've actually shortened Destin's string like that. I'm going to try that. Alright, let's try this one. Ready? Oh, look at that, and then let it go. Oh! I might have made it might have made the whole thing a bit big. I might not be as smart as I thought I was.
I'm smarter.
Whatever. Now look.
Am I going to this over this is
Oh, look at this, look at this. Pull, 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 and then you just let it loose a little bit so it winds in the other direction. There we go, perfect. I just needed to snip it down a bit. I made it a bit too big and it was going haywire. So, you know, trial and error. Oh, look, that's perfect. Is that pretty neat? So you pull and then let it loose once it's all the way. So pull, 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 pull. See, so it's untangled. And then you put your hands together a little bit. Goes the other way. And look, see the pattern going round and round.
Whoa, that's so cool. The dot thing looks good.
You want a turn? What about Mum? What if Mum wants to play?
Back out of it.
Pull, 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 pull. And then...
Mama.
Oh, see, that's a bit better already. I was just getting a bit ahead of myself. So what do you think, people?